Good morning to everybody. Today in this video I am going to discuss and share the very important topics related with health. The name of the topic is importance of oxyhemoglobin. What is oxyhemoglobin? We will describe. Everybody know about what is hemoglobin, but what is oxyhemoglobin is not known to all. This is a product of oxygen and hemoglobin in the lung. During the process of breathing, there is a mixing of oxygen and hemoglobin in the lung. This is called oxygenation of blood. So oxygenation of blood produces oxyhemoglobin. The two molecules of hemoglobin and one molecule of oxygen combine to form a very unstable compound, the two molecules of oxyhemoglobin. Two molecules of hemoglobin, one molecule of oxygen produces two molecules of oxyhemoglobin HbO, which is very unstable compound and it can break any moment, any time into its parent elements, hemoglobin and oxygen. So this is the main merits of the oxyhemoglobin, which is transported to each and every part of the body out of the hemoglobin during the blood circulation. It is transported to each and every part of the body where it breaks into oxygen and hemoglobin, and all the cells, tissues and organs of the body receives that oxygen. After supplying the oxygen to each and every part of the body, the hemoglobin again returns back to the lung, where the further oxygenation of blood continue and it going on. So the deoxygenation means breaking of oxygen and hemoglobin. It takes part out of the lung in each and every part of the body, but oxygenation takes part in the inside the lung. So two very important functions, oxygenation inside of the lung and deoxygenation outside of the lung, is continuously going on in our body, and all each and every parts of cells of the body is supplied with the oxygen to perform our daily natural activities. Now, the level of oxyhemoglobin depends upon the three factors. First is amount of hemoglobin, second is amount of oxygen, and third is rate of consumption of oxygen. So amount of oxygen is also naturally present in the air. Amount of hemoglobin is present in our body, in our blood. But the rate of consumption, ever normal, depends upon our other physical activity. If you want to increase the level of oxyhemoglobin, then we will have to do some extra activities like yoga, pranayama, exercise, walking, etc. In any way we have to increase the physical activities so that the rate of consumption of oxygen will increase. And when rate of consumption will increase, the level of oxyhemoglobin will also increase. So the two major indoor activities is Alom Vilom and Kapalabhati to increase the level of oxyhemoglobin. So during this process and during this activity, there are a lot of merits of the oxyhemoglobin, moderate level of oxyhemoglobin. What are that merits? First, the unwanted things in the body decreases. Unwanted things decreases. And what is that? Weight of the body decreases, sugar decreases, any common or normal body pain also decreases, headache also decreases, laziness decreases, negative thought decreases, and cold exposure probability also decreases. These are the unwanted things which body does not require much more. So these are decreases during the process of activity for improving the level of oxyhemoglobin. Now the second part, what increases, what body wants, what is wanted in our body, that increases. What increases? First is appetite and digestion. Appetite and digestion increases, sleeping increases, work efficiency increases, positive thought increases, mental freshness increases, daily activities increases, and body resistance also increases. So these are the wanted activity in the body which increases, and these are the unwanted which decreases. So there is a lot of merits of the moderate level of oxyhemoglobin. So here we have seen how oxyhemoglobin is produced inside the lung, how deoxygenation takes place outside the lung in each and every part of the body, and what is the process we can improve up to the moderate level of the oxyhemoglobin to keep us fit, healthy, and more active in daily life. Okay, thank you very much.